Alright guys, it's Novice and I'm back with another video. Today's will be a pretty short one. I wanted to make a video discussing an error that I had when I was trying to do an update on two Windows 11 laptops at my workplace. Now the error that I got happened whenever I restarted the laptop, and a black screen would come up saying something didn't go as planned, followed by something like undoing changes or something like that. When I looked on the internet, all of the possible solutions didn't really work for me, but I was able to find something that worked, so I was posting this in case any of you were having similar issues so that you guys can know how to resolve it pretty quickly. Now, the updates that I was getting the error for were KB5034204 and KB5034765. Now I'm about to walk through how I was able to get past these errors and pretty much get it up and running really quickly. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so what I first had to do was go to check updates. Then next, I pretty much just ran the updates as they happened. The issues weren't on this specific computer I'm using, but on, like I said, work ones. But pretty much after you run it, make sure that it installs through the Windows update here. Then what you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome, go to the Windows Update Center, Windows Update Catalog, and from there type in the KB number of the issue you're having in here. In this case it was this, and then based on your system and the version that you're having, go ahead and install this. Now, like I said, you can't see it here, but once the issue update has finished installing, what you're gonna do is pull up a command prompt. From here, you're gonna type in the command wusa uninstall KB, and then the KB number that you're uninstalling. In this case, this. I'm not gonna hit it because, like I said, the problem issue isn't on this computer. Now, there are some key tips that I almost forgot to tell you. Once this is done installing, do not restart the computer just yet. It's gonna prompt you to, but do not do it. Then, once this executes, it's gonna prompt you to restart the computer as well. Just press restart later. Now, once you uninstall this from here, you can then run the code wusa followed by the MSU, the .msu file that's downloaded from the Windows catalog. I'll go ahead and download it just to use it as an example. Alright, and once the download is complete, you can come back up here. In this case, let me change the directory I'm in. And then we hit them with this Windows. Okay. Okay. And then run this following command to execute the installation of the same update you were trying to get. Now, once this is finished installing, you'll be prompted to restart. That is when you should restart. Once the restart goes through, the error message should no longer pop up, and the update should be successfully installed onto your Windows 11. Now, I would run it on mine, but mine is currently on Windows 10, so that wouldn't work. But if this is on Windows 11, you should be good to go. And now just run through what I did again, just in case you guys missed it. So first, pull up the check updates or window updates button. Then you actually download and have the update install on your computer. Then when that's done, you go into the Microsoft Update Catalog and download that update that you're trying to get. Now, once the update is done installing here, you can come here to the command prompt. It would be beneficial to run the command prompt as admin and then run wusa-uninstall -KB : and then the KB number of your update. Now, once that runs, it's going to uninstall the update from what you just installed from the check for updates or Windows updates box in the settings. And then after you're done with that, do not restart. Press restart later, and then do wusa followed by the Windows installer that you just installed. In this case, for me, it shows like this. Now, after all of that is said and done, you should be good to go. Now, that's all that I had for this video. If you guys liked the video and if it was able to help you out, please leave a like, subscribe, do whatever you can to support the channel. But with that being said, I'm done. Thank you.